What excites me about teaching Rady students is interacting with them in the classroom. I like to be in a room full of students who are paying attention and who are engaged, so I use a lot of open-ended questions to start discussions. I think that's the right way that we can learn. I try to cover very difficult concepts, but I do it in a way that is engaging and fun. One of the cases I really like teaching is called the Behavioral Insights case. So in that case, what we do is we workshop a letter that the UK government can send to delinquent taxpayers. These are people who have not paid their taxes in a very long time. We break into groups and we have students come up with the best letter that they could send, a letter that would improve upon the standard letter that the UK government had been sending in the past, which is just, you haven't paid your taxes, please pay. And the types of ideas that students have are really fun. So we have students who say, well, 90% of your neighbors have paid their taxes. You should pay them too. That's harnessing social norms, a very powerful concept from behavioral economics. We have some students who say, well, if you don't pay, you're going to get in trouble. The police will come after you. That's kind of a threatening letter. So which of these letters is actually going to reduce the likelihood that you remain delinquent on your taxes? They find that social norms are very powerful. So telling someone that 90% of their neighbors have already paid really increases tax payments relative to the generic letter they were using before. And I like this case because it really features a hands-on, interactive learning approach to some of these concepts that are really key concepts in my field of research.